Hello students, very nice morning to all of you. I, Deepak Kumar Kusti, of Computer Science teacher from Modern Middle School, Kuntinagar, Navada branch. Today, I am going to start the third video lecture of the first chapter of class 4 is output device. In the last two classes, we have already discussed what is computer, how computer is useful in our daily life, what do you mean by input device, the examples of input device. These are all the things we have already discussed. Now I will discuss what is output device and some of the examples of output device. Now students, comes to the what is the output device. Students, the output device is used to give the display the output of user entered data or processing information on the screen. Once again I am telling you, output device is used to display the result of user input or data or information processing by the computer. That is your output device. So students, here I have written here the devices which are used to show the entered data or processing information by the computer system is called the output device. So you remember these points. That's why I have displayed on the projector. So you see here and what I am explaining, you just listen and remember that. Next one, some of the examples of output device. How the information are displayed on the screen, or in the how many ways the data will be displayed on the output. We will discuss by the some of the examples. Some of the examples are examples of output device. First one is your monitor. Student, monitor is used to display the data on the screen by the computer system. Means what you give the data by the keyboard, it will be displayed on the screen. That is your what? Monitor. And the monitors are of two types. Then what do you mean monitor? Monitor looks like a TV. It looks like a TV. It is also called as a VDU, Visual Display Unit. The monitor just looks like a TV. At your home, you are seeing the TV, just like that also monitor. So that's why the monitors are of two types. What are those? You see this one. First of all, you see monitor are of two types. One is a CRT monitor, another one is a LCD monitor. CRT for the cathode ray tube, and LCD is a liquid crystal display. What is the difference between CRT monitor and LCD monitor? Student, in CRT monitor, it also used to display the information, but it consumes high electricity. It consumes high electricity, but in case of the LCD, its weight is low and consumes low electricity. Very less electricity will be consumed in LCD, but in cathode ray tube consumes high electricity. So that's why nowadays the LCD monitor is most popular than CRT monitor. Next example, student. Next one of the example of the output of the device is your printer. Next example is your printer. This one is your printer. Student, all of you seen the printer, or what do you mean by printer? This type of output device is also used to display the information on the paper, that will be permanently. Is that clear? This type of the output device is also display the information on the paper, that is called as a hard output. when the information will be displayed on the screen, that is called as a soft output. And when the information will be displayed on the page for the permanently by the computer system, is called as a hard output. Remember that. So student, this is my printer. Printer are also different types. Let's see by the image. See here. So printer are of also different types. One is a dot matrix printer, one is a laser printer, one is a inkjet printer, another one is a line printer. But in your syllabus, in your book, it has given three types of printer: dot matrix, laser printer, and inkjet printer. Come to the, we'll discuss one by one. First one, what do you mean by dot matrix printer? In dot matrix printer, its speed is CPS, character per second. The measurement, the speed of the dot matrix printer is CPS, character per second. That means it gives low quality printout. It gives the result of the information is a low quality. That's why we are preferring the laser printer and inkjet printer. So student, this type of the printer is used in basically where typewriter, typist where it will be typing, just like the block office, state government office. In that case, we are using the word dot matrix printer. Next come to the word inkjet printer. Next one is your inkjet printer. You see, this one is an inkjet printer. It gives very high quality printout. It gives very high quality printout. That means it can print both color as well as the black also. So it gives the result color printout as well as the black printout also. And its speed is ppm, pages per minute. Its speed is ppm, pages per minute. Its speed is CPS, character per second, low quality. Its speed is ppm, page per minute, and it gives high quality printout. Next come to the laser printer. This is the most demanding printer. Why? Because its speed is very high. That means speed is also ppm, pages per minute, but it gives the result as an output 6 to 20 pages per minute in case of the laser printer. Means in 1 minute maximum you can make the printout 20 pages. Means minimum 6 pages, maximum 20 pages. But in case of inkjet printer, in 1 minute you can print the 1 page for the color printer. It will make 5 to 6 pages in black printout. But in color printer, 1 pages per minute. So in this way, we have explained the different types of the printer. Is that clear? Next output is your what? Speaker. You see? Next output is your speaker. This is used to play the music or sound with the connected with your computer. Speaker is used to play the sound or music which is connected with computer. That is your speaker. Because by the speaker we can easily listen the music. Is that clear? Now you see the what? That is the image. This one is the image of the speaker. This is the image of the speaker. Is that clear? The next output is your, the last, that one is your what? Plotter. Next one is your what? Plotter. Plotter is also one type of the output device, just like the printer. But in case of the plotter, it gives the result in a very large size of the paper. That's why the engineer or architect, they are using the plotter because they want to make a printout very high quality printout, which is possible only in the plotter. So plotter is used to print the image, photograph, drawing also. Means what you want to make the drawing in the clutter also it is possible. You make draw and make the printout by the clutter also. Is that clear? So clutter is used to print the drawing, image, photograph, etc. And particularly this clutter is used by engineer and architects. Engineer and architects. But printer it is used in everywhere. Shopping mall, education institute, industry, everywhere. But this one is used by particularly engineering or architects. Is that clear? And so the how looks like the clutter. You see, this is my clutter, and you see how much the length of the pages and width of the pages, the very large size. So that's why it is helpful to print the word just like the banner. By the help of the clutter, it is used to make the printer. So in this way, we have completed our output device. So student, the next video I will show the storage device. So that's it. Thank you.